How's it going, guys? Lightning Slay's back, and today I'm gonna try and make some pizza. Yeah. So, in like a little container, you just want to add like 2 cups of water, warm water. Like you put your finger in. It's not cold. It's not too hot. You're also gonna need yeast, flour, all-purpose, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of olive oil. Now, let's get to it. So, to begin, we're gonna add like 2 teaspoons of yeast, or yeah, since I don't have a teaspoon, I'm gonna be using this little spoon. Any little spoon will be a good substitute. Then, once you add those 2 teaspoons of yeast, you want to add just 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. Let me clean my spoon a little. Okay, just like that much. And then just mix it around. And then just let it sit for like 5 minutes or so. And then once bubbles start to form, then the yeast, sugar, water mixture is ready. Now, let's move on to the dough. Okay, so to our dough, we just add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, we get our dry ingredients and mix it with our wet ingredients. And then we can start to knead the dough. Let me get the wet ingredients. Okay, now once our wet and dry ingredients are mixed in, you kind of want to mix it all up. Yeah, get all those ingredients in there. And once the dough is started to get rough and all that, you might want to start kneading it. Like as soon as I get rid of all of this water, it's gonna be a nice soft dough ball that we're gonna start to knead, guys. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, so it turns out I have to add 1 more cup of flour and a little bit more because it started to look like pancake mix. But now, once it's like this, once you add your 4 cups of flour, you might want to start kneading it. Let me just put a little bit more flour on it so then I can start kneading it. And I'll be back. Okay, guys, so now once the dough is ready, or once you started kneading it, you get like 2 fistfuls of flour and then put it around every corner of the dough because it's sticky. Trust me, I got into a sticky situation like a few minutes ago and it was not pretty, guys. Well, anyways, once you're finished kneading the dough for 10 minutes, once you're finished kneading it should just pop up back. You're gonna want to find a container where you can put it in and let it rise overnight. I say overnight because it tastes better the next day. And well, it makes a good pizza, and it's it's a 2-day process, guys. And well, let me just put this sucker in. But before you put in, get a paper towel and put a little bit of oil so the dough doesn't stick. And well, after that, just put it in your fridge. And like that, yeah. We'll continue tomorrow to make the pizza, okay, guys? So, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and peace out. Okay, guys, so quickly before I shut down the video, make it have a smooth top and doesn't have any wrinkles like this. Then you might want to grab some plastic sheet or a towel or something, cover it, and then put it in the fridge overnight, and we'll get to making pizza tomorrow. So thank you, guys.